Hey everyone, what's up? It's Emily from Curbside Herbs. I'm sorry that I haven't posted much lately. I've been really busy here because it's the end of the gardening farming season, so I've been doing a lot of harvesting, a lot of propagating, a lot of dehydrating, and also a lot of canning. Today I canned 4 jars of apples, just straight up. I peeled them, I cut them, and then I followed the instructions for my recipe and I canned them. So that way over the winter time I can make apple pie, I can make apple crisp, I can make more applesauce if I need to. I did a couple jars of applesauce today. So we've been busy in the kitchen doing a lot of different things. So once that all calms down, then as I said, we will do our live fun series with culinary herbs. And I will be able to post a whole bunch of stuff I've been wanting to post. But anyway, so I'm going to pop on today. I went out in the garden today and holy peppers. We still have so many hot peppers out there. It's ridiculous. But it's great because we're bringing spicy bits to you, which is going to be our line of hot pepper powder. Today I did jalapeno peppers. And here they are in the food dehydrator. I have 3 rows and filled to the gills. I probably could have picked a couple more to put on and put some more trays on the dehydrator, but I didn't. I don't know why I didn't. So I'll probably be doing more of these tomorrow, or if they're ready, I'll do the inferno peppers, which are hotter than jalapenos. But I wanted to show you the jalapenos that we did, and like as you can see, all of the trays there, they are just packed full. I just took out of the dehydrator Greek pepperoncinis, which I tried one earlier in the summer and they were green, and I thought, nah, these aren't really that hot because we always have pepperoncinis for Thanksgiving. My dad would get them for pickings. So I decided this year I was going to grow my own, and then once I grew my own, I was going to can them, just like the ones we have for Thanksgiving. But they weren't as hot as I would have liked them to be. And then, so I waited and let them turn red. I don't know if you can see them here in my jar. That's a better picture. I let them turn red. Whew, yeah, once you let them turn red, they have a little bit of a kick to them. As you can see, my label, I have labels that I made on the computer that I print out and then I glue or I tape on. I just haven't printed the one out for pepperoncinis yet, so I'll do that tomorrow and get that labeled, and then I can store it and put it away. And I got these cute little canning jars, mason jars at Walmart for relatively cheap. I think they were only like $7 and change. They're Anchor canning jars. I really like them because they're big enough to hold a good amount of stuff, but I find that if I use too big of ones, then I end up wasting them, because if you can't fill them, then it's a waste. So, yeah. Alright, well, I just wanted to show you guys the hot peppers that we have going, that I took the pepperoncinis out of the food dehydrator, and I put in the jalapenos. I put in more Italian oregano in my food dehydrator here. And then, you would think that we'd have enough, but not exactly. And then over here in my other food dehydrator, I put a little bit more of parsley. And then over here, as you can see, are my canned apples. I did 4 quart-sized jars of canned apples. And then, because you know us, we love saving seeds, I took a couple of the apple seeds and I'm going to let them dry, and then I'm going to try to plant them. I don't know if anything will grow or not, but we always like to try new things and see what happens. Alright, well, thank you guys very much for watching. If you have any questions about canning or especially herbs or anything like that, please feel free to let me know. Like us on Facebook, emilyscurbsideherbs at gmail.com. We're on YouTube, we're on Pinterest. So please feel free to give us a like, give us a share. You know, tell all your friends we are here for your herbal needs. Have a great evening.